Are you tired of websites that look great but fail to capture the heart and soul of your coaching business? What if I told you that in just one day you could have a website that not only looks professional, but also perfectly encapsulates your unique coaching style and philosophy? Stick around because today I'm revolutionizing the way coaches create their online presence. Hi, I'm Jason Kruger, and I'm your Tech Simple marketing coach. Today, I'm unlocking the secrets to creating a website that's not just visually appealing, but a true embodiment of your coaching philosophy and business goals. And stick around till the end because I have something special for all you coaches out there. A game changer in website creation, defining clear goals. When you first think about a new site, you need to start with the foundation. You need to define your website's goals. Imagine your website as your digital handshake. What impression do you want to leave? Are you aiming to attract more clients, showcase your unique coaching methods, or provide invaluable resources? Pinpointing your objectives early on will eliminate the path forward. Embracing simplicity. Next up is simplicity. In the digital realm, less truly is more. A clutter-free, easy-to-navigate site invites engagement and exploration. Simple yet effective website designs often share common traits such as minimalistic aesthetics, user-friendly navigation, and focused content that directly serves the site's main objectives. An example of this is Apple. It has clean lines, high-quality product images, and plenty of white space. Apple's website is a masterclass in minimalism, focusing on product features and benefits with straightforward navigation. The simplicity allows products to shine, making it easy for users to find information without unnecessary distractions. Self-editing ability. In the ever-evolving world of coaching, your website should be just as adaptable. Having a website that you can edit yourself is crucial for several reasons. Number one, timely updates. Coaching is a dynamic profession with new offerings, insights, and client successes constantly emerging. Being able to update your website in real time allows you to keep your content fresh and relevant, ensuring your audience is always informed about the latest developments in your coaching practice. Number two, cost efficiency. Relying on a developer or designer for every minor update can become costly. Having the autonomy to make changes yourself saves money, which is especially important for coaches focusing their resources on growing their business. And number three, quick response to market changes. The coaching industry is fast-paced, and client needs or market trends can shift quickly. If you're able to update your website yourself, you can rapidly adjust your offerings, messages, or marketing strategies to stay competitive and relevant. That's why choosing a platform that allows you for easy on-the-fly updates is crucial. No need for a tech wizard. With the right platform, keeping your site up to date is a breeze. Be sure that training is available to you so that you can learn how to do this yourself. Reflecting your brand. Your website is more than just a URL. It's a reflection of your brand. From the color palette to the content's tone, every detail should scream you. Working closely with a developer can make all the difference in presenting your authentic self. Your website often serves as the first point of contact between you and potential clients or customers. A website that accurately reflects your brand ensures that this first impression aligns with the image and values you want to convey, setting the right expectations from the start. Selecting the right platform. Choosing the right platform is like choosing the right pair of shoes for a marathon. It has to fit perfectly. WordPress, Squarespace, or niche coaching platforms. Consider what suits your tech comfort, needs, and future growth. There are many platforms out there, but the one that I choose to build on is WordPress. And this is the self-hosted version, which allows me to add more features to the site as required. Other things to consider are the ease of use, especially if you plan to manage the website yourself, and integration capabilities. Should you want to seamlessly integrate with other tools and applications you use, such as email marketing services, scheduling tools like Calendly, CRM systems, and payment gateways to automate and streamline your operation. And now, for the moment you've been waiting for, I'm thrilled to introduce Websites in a Day for Coaches, my exclusive service designed to transform your online presence in just 24 hours. No more waiting weeks or compromising with cookie cutter templates. With Website in a Day for Coaches, you get a bespoke website that truly captures the essence of your coaching business at a fraction of the time and cost. Here are some of the benefits of Website in a Day for Coaches. Efficiency and speed. Launch a professional website within just one day, minimizing downtime and allowing you to focus on your coaching business without delay. Cost effective. Get a custom-built website at a fraction of the cost typically associated with bespoke web design services, making it an affordable option for coaches looking for a new site. Customization. Tailored specifically for coaches, ensuring that the website reflects your brand, style, and the unique services you offer, setting you apart from competitors. Ease of use. Delivered on WordPress that offers self-editing capabilities, empowering you to easily update content, post blogs, and modify your site without needing technical expertise. Professional design. Benefit from high-end design aesthetics that elevate your online presence, attract your ideal clients, and showcase your expertise in a visually appealing manner. Strategic guidance includes a consultation to understand your needs and goals, ensuring the final website aligns with your vision and objectives for growth and client engagement. Support and training. Provides a training session post-launch to familiarize you with your new website, along with tips on how to maintain and update it, ensuring long-term ease of management. This service is designed to overcome the common hurdles coaches face when developing their online presence, offering a streamlined, efficient solution that doesn't sacrifice quality or personalization. Imagine launching your dream website tomorrow. It's possible. Visit jasonkruger.com/websites in a day for coaches to learn more and book your session. The link is in the description. Let's make website worries a thing of the past. Creating a website should be an exciting journey, not a daunting task. With these 5 principles and Website in a Day for Coaches, you're well equipped to build a digital presence that resonates with your audience and propels your coaching business to new heights. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell for more insights. See you on the next one.